Yeah, this is me sitting at my desk about to do some work on my computer here. Uh, it's Sunday, and so I try not to have to do so much on a Sunday. You know, if I'm not going to go to church, then what I try to do is, get things ready for the next day. Um, Anyway, this is me, and this is my place of business. God has blessed me with this place. Um, he's blessed me in this business, and no matter what, all the glory, all the honor, and all the praise goes to God Almighty Jehovah. And I thank Him for the opportunity to help people, to be there for those who are in need, experiencing desperate times. And I pray that He always gives me the strength to do the work that He provides, because the reward from that work sometimes is it's not money. It's not always about money. There's a satisfaction that's deep inside that comes from helping other people who are in need. So I thank God, and this is me. My name is Will. I'm a locksmith. I do cars. I'm trying to turn this thing off.